Big up Crosses TV.
I was a crafty Stevie, you crazy, you bumper clap, man. One blood clot, crazy, and a crafty Stevie. Catch it at a lie. I got crafty Stevie.
Money body is not wrong. You don't want to come down pan her and go like say the woman a child. Dan and Kim and the whole of uno. The whole of uno chop behind the blood clot woman back. Me know everything where I go on. That's why I run left uno. Me will never blood clot suffer. Me have this. Me never suffer. And when you have a talk say Kim, me got my son graduation. Why the person never snap my blood clot? Can you say me got my son graduation look away? That would never happen. You mad? You crazy? Let me show you my blood clot ears. Kidan, come here. Come here. Pass my silver ears there, so. See my ears there when I wear. See my blood clot ears there when I wear. 8,500 feet. 8,000 blood clot 500 for my ears. And my hairstyle up a blood clot powder plus at $10,000. Cause I have a customer and everything came look good in a blood clot and my makeup well done. My makeup well done. My son I got Kingston, my son I got St. George's College. Oh, I forgot graduation look anyway. You mad? You mad? Your blood clot mad? You see, uno set on people from blood clot good people. And when you set on people from good people, and and the people there, and then you turn upon the blood clot people them, is not good. Me know say everything they want to come down from money body. Me know say from Kim and Hope. Me know say from Kim and Hope talk, a whole heap of destruction are gonna go up on the internet. That's why I run. That's why I run. You know long Kim and Hope a friend? You know long Kim and Hope a friend? For Kim. The woman a friend screenshot me everything when Kim a say, big up my nice clean friend Hope and over Facebook. When some argument and Hope a post. A long time Kim and Hope talk. She might be not talk on IG but a long time. That's why I'm a go on. You see people don't know good people. You see the people them are real to them. The people them are real to them and are fake to them. You see the people them are real to them and are fake to them. Them that have them people in them arms. Them, you see the people that were fake to them hands and gloves them up. But me I tell you this, Kim. Today is the 12th July 2024. So the next time you hope I go down the Manuel Road, I kill Shagga kill you. Remember me tell you that because me have goat mouth. Me have goat mouth. You see you Dan? You see you blood clot Dan? Get a hold of yourself. You should even come out for money, buddy. You know what you should have do? Just sit back. And you say you're a gangster. You just sit back, so, and watch. And watch. Oh, yeah, Hope, not for talk. And Kim and Hope talk. You mad? Oh, yeah, Hope talk. And Dan and Hope and Colin talk. Oh, the friendship there go. Shooter in the must there. They never shoot at blood clot Kim. Cause Hope program Kim, you know. Remember say a whole heap of years out of friendship that, you know. And the two of them bring down them one up on the internet, you know. And what Hope do to Kim? Kim not half ready to do that to Hope, you know. You know, so Hope gone in a blood clot gully. And she know say Kim can't take her out of the mess and out of the blood clot gully. She come. Kim can't take her out of the gully, out of the mess. Hope you live like John Crane in a blood clot America. Hope me there Jamaica me live good in a blood clot. Me live like a queen. Everybody on the blood clot internet help me. But when me do, me save my money. Me not squander my money. Anything me want, me buy that blood clot. Anything me want, me buy that. Me not squander money. That's why when me a gonna when me look nice, me look good. $10,000 for me ear done. The girl in your mystery, $6,000 for my makeup, that are $16,000. $8,500 for my slippers, that are $24,500. My nice blood clot suit. Nice blood clot suit are $15,000. So check that. $39,500. So you can't talk to me. When you can't blood clot talk to me, you ever talk about me look bad at graduation, you mad? Why your friend never snap me? Cause choose the reason why she tell her that cause if she did snap me, that's a blood clot. Tuffy look goody. Tuffy look good, but Kim, I will never bring you down. But me just tell you the truth. You's not a mind of your own. Kim, you's a big man, but you have a pitney brain. You make nasty open truth against good people. And that not right. You make dirty open truth against good people. Money body might be have our ways, yes. Everybody have them dirty ways. But ooh, you know in your corner, you must stick by them. Me now ask if now blood clot, baby. My son could pass the blood clot St. George's College and me come out looking like a shabby. You mad? You sick? Let me tell you again. Up I put the plus. $10,000 for do me ear. Yeah, for put on my wig. Cause the first girl when me did go, she never put on my wig good. I'ma go up and put the plus $10,000 for do my wig. $6,000 for do my makeup, that's $16,000. $8,500 for my blood clot slippers, that is $24,500. And $15,000 for my blood clot, that's $39,500 blood clot 100. What you say? Thanks. What you say? The one I now come down from blood clot money body. How this? The one I now go on. From Kim and Oprah friend everything over. That's why me run. That's why me run. Me? You think me an idiot? Me save. I'm going like say me have money. Me save. Me an idiot. Anything me want, me can blood clot buy that. Anything me want, me can buy that blood clot. Anything me want, me can buy that. No girl can chat to me. I want to know. What the fuck do you know? Me just a come for the life today, I thought the fucking truth. Me a money body and a friend. Me a money body and a friend, you know. I want to know that, but when you see the truth, you have to speak it. Dan, I be a hypocrite talk you give on the life today. Be a blood clot hypocrite talk you give on the life today. Against money body and I don't like it. And you, Brassy, you go tell blood clot. What's your name? You, Brassy, you go tell Warboat. Nicole said, put me up on the Brassy, better you go on, you know. Because the whole of is a blood clot hypocrite, you know. Me not deal with hypocrite. Me no blood clot deal with hypocrite. From your hypocrite, me go on. Me not have no offer loads that wanna give me. So when not tell me, when I can't go on, have a nice blood clot there. But when I see the truth, me have to talk. Because the truth have to set me free. My people them can't blood clot suffer. I will never blood clot suffer. I want blood clot Tuffy. Other than Tuffy a carbon blood clot copy. I want blood clot Tuffy. And that me a blood clot tell you no. What the fuck do you know? When you can't blood clot control on the blood clot people them. Kim and blood clot over friend. And Dan, you say, Dan, you say you're a gangster, but you're not a gangster. Gangster no program, so. Gangster don't stay and Cuba. You feel say hope and Carlin a friend. Mm-hmm. Look at the picture. Hope and Carlin a friend, right? Carlin and Hope a friend. Kim and Hope a friend. Dan, go check out yourself. Go check out your blood clot self for you next. Everybody I got hear what who chat everybody, just wait. Me are going to tell next week. Everything I got go on. Can you see Hope is a manipulator and she love put things in her people head. Cause Kim is very intelligent. But she bright but she not have common sense and she not street smart. Kim is a big man but she have a pitney brain, a pitney mentality. She bright, you know, but she not grow up. Cause you can't make blood clot Hope come back, come talk to you. Yeah, Hope go down the money where Hope. You bring down Hope bring down you, but Hope bring it down worse, no blood clot, Kim. And you got talk to Hope. I ever say I want a friend for me. What the fuck me dear? What the fuck me dear? If me not chat to my sister for blood clot 10 years, who is you? But I'm not gonna make me and you go down the money where work out when me did in my crisis and my needs and my want. You was there for me. You was there for me, so me now go call. You in a Kim. One cuss me now and I see it. But I get a not blood clot there. You know see I be a not there me I give. You know see you think me an idiot, my wife that I am a street smart, a tough my name. I whole heap of blood clot bad man me go around and gangster. A boy I'm a grow with, me not grow with girl. Me a gangster. So me know you can't come at me. Me smarter than you Kim. So when you try, you can't get it from me. When you are try, you can't get it from me. Me say, the next time, Hope Kim, I go put in a big over Brooklyn Bridge. She go show your blood clot the next time. She go say, come, she and she should be out of the old 2000 Range Rover and should be over the blood clot Brooklyn Bridge. You Kim. Can you see you? You're not hear. You're not listen. You're not listen when people talk. People will have your back and I show you and nobody in a program you. You might be older than me, but me have sense. My streets man, me have common sense and everything with blood clot in. Nobody can cheat me. Nobody can blood clot cheat me and kill me. Me smart. A bad man me grow around gangster. Me no idiot. Me no mascot. Me no westcott. Me a mafia. Me no idiot. Why you think nobody can use me for long? Cause me get mad. Me just come out on you one day with my head chip. Me just come out on your blood clot one day with my head chip. But guess what Kim? I'm not go down the money where we go there. Me know hope a boots you for class me. But you know, cause you know me don't have nothing more than somebody tell me say gangster down a chat you. I'ma forward it to you and you bring back my name. To show you say it's not real. Cause if somebody turn to me and send me a voice note and say gangster down a chat you, me and you are friend and me a put you on your yard and me send it to you. Remember saying I'm gonna live America, I'm gonna live Canada, I'm gonna live England. And people for feed me with information make me can come out come cuss people. Remember I'm gonna live at Brooklyn, I'm gonna live at Bronx, I'm gonna live at 4th Street, me live at Avenue, me live at 6th Street, me live at blood clot them place there. So people for come out and tell me. People for come out and tell me that me can come out and cuss people. You understand me? But when you come out for money body, I never like it down. Cause you argue with yourself one at a time. Cause you go say, Dan, you and Kim know the man and Ray, I don't know. You give away yourself. If people listen to you, you can cheer it. Money body, if you don't know, say, she laugh for the internet, focus on her family. No send no come give nobody. No send no come give nobody. Focus on your family. No send no come give nobody. One time I did send me $50 money body. I appreciate it, but remember, two me did see oh yeah, go on and then something them here you kick off. And when they call me and the youth they come from the video call my husband did upset. Because my husband is very jealous over me. Baby, you don't know, but I'm telling you. And me now go see the truth, not because me and you don't talk and don't come out and talk. That's why nobody not gonna like me. I cannot be hypocrite. I cannot do that. I cannot be a hypocrite. Me want my heart free up. Me no want my heart. Me no want my heart. I wait me want my heart free. Me not hypocrite. Me not play a hypocrite. Me just talk facts and truth. Me not play with no hypocrite. Cause when them a be a hypocrite thing, them a deal with their money, but they be a hypocrite. Cause ya big man I like them want control you. They know why you talk. They know why you do know. It's a time for you shake up more. You don't see me run gone. Over TikTok me there. Me run gone. One time them all ask my page, we not even want them blood clot no my page. That's time I switch up again for them. So when them think of just the page I come on is another page. Be yourself, money body, run. Them no good, run. You have them as a friend and them not have you as a friend, run. 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 Put on your shoes and run. You can't, alright. I can't believe some money body you smoke weed. Sometimes you can't smoke your weed in your house and meds, you know. You don't really need a friend, you know, come here so you have your money, you know. You can't party by yourself, you know. You don't really need a friend, party by yourself. Sometimes go in a state. Go enjoy yourself. You don't need nobody. Friend with somebody different place. For them because free blood clot miserable Dr. Warren sell pussy girl in America. Them not understand themselves. But they can't talk to me. Go man. Me and money body not talk, but me just see the truth this morning. Me never did ever make no come down on her. Me just talk the fucking truth. Can know about the truth and the living truth. If the woman have vent, why wanna pick it up on her head? That mean you're guilty or something. Cause me know not me, my friend talk. Me now go bash her. That means something I talk. Me not idiot, me got school. Me not done. Me got school. Cause if you not say money body have vent and she not talk to Uno, why you not come out on her? Tell me now. Why not pick it up and a click life here? That means you never have her as a friend. You never have her as a friend and you go like, I see you to money body. Stop from call people phone on IG. Stop from call people. Maybe when people calling you, you don't record. But when them calling you, them a record you. You need to stop. You have your mother up there, talk to your mother or your father. Talk to your family then. If you're boring, you talk to your family then. No call nobody. Talk to your family then. Talk to your family then. No call nobody, but you don't know for record on them, so them a record you, them a say you chat too much, them a say all kind of things about you. And you say you and them a friend, that is not right. Because listen, if you avenge and I say, you don't know who blood clot, take me and screenshot me and ray. Why them pick it up? Yeah, real chat. Why you take it up? Why you take it up? And I say, ray, you have a click like for your friend and start to bring down your friend. That is not right in a God eyesight. That's not right. That's how why I say, my gone. You know, me run off of IG left for now. Cause my sister no good. But guess what? Me never ever bring you down, Kim. Because hope a true tell you for cuss me. I'm a seat and I sidestep it. But guess what? When me in my needs and my wants and I'm hungry, you was there for me. So it gonna look bad. So I cuss you, I never cuss you. I never cuss you, Kim. Because Kim, you're gonna get radam from Hope. Hope I got put throw you over Brooklyn Bridge. Remember my blood clot tell you that. Cause Hope you go down the manual where me shoot. Alright. Tell me now. Post one rubber down and you bring me upon this blood clot internet. Yeah, sorry for the bad word post. How it go now? Carlina our Opa friend. Opa and Kim a friend. You know what Dan should I do? She should even come out and go like say she want cup my money body. Dan if you're a gangster, you hold your own and stay aside and not even open your mouth. I so gangster work. You're not gangster, Dan. You're not gangster. Gangster no go on so. I say go money body. You know yourself now. It's not too late for you learn. Open Kim a friend. Open Carlin a friend. Oh, that have a workout. Carlin and Dan attack. You think say, me say, Father God, me see the judgment are coming up. The judgment are going to take blood clot down, you see. Dan, You buy your pressure pill them yet? You buy your pressure pill them yet, Dan? Dan, you buy your pressure pill them yet? Come in, no, I know, open a shoot a Kim, you know. Finna talk to you, you know. Cause Kim, you know. So Kim, you know. Dan, make sure you buy your pressure pill. Cause morning, noon, and night you go press live. Remember me tell you that. Cause you open door friend and call in. You think call in and open and go bitch your blood clot king against you. Me see it coming out. Dan, you say you're spoilers. But you're not fully spoilers, man. You look like you're mixed, you know. Cause you take two Dan. You take a Telavin Dan and you take a spoilers Dan. So your blood clot me. So make sure you take a pressure pill then, because you see the judgment that come at your blood clot foot. You come up on money body, you know no sense. You think me to pick up for nobody? The reason why I can't pick up for blood clot money body come run gone. I will never suffer. Me, Tuffy, will never suffer. I will never suffer. I have some bright blood clot kids. My kids, them are so bright. You know, so my second daughter, with a I have a medicine, she have blood clot study, medicine. And my son passed a St. George's College. When you can't stop me, when you can't stop me, when you can't blood clot stop me. A friend enemy, post that's not in an argument with them, post just stay and code, post. Them say, you can't read and write, but me I tell you, your whole intellect no blood clot. Post that time, I rate you now. You care what me, you go down the money really road, you know. Me rate you now, post. Yeah, cause the warrior, when me see the warrior go down the money well road. Remember me tell you that blood clot. Remember. Me and you not have not a king. You just come out for me. I me a sidestep you and don't want to chasing with you. Yeah, come. But I will never cuss you, Kim. I will never ever cuss you, baby. I never cuss you. I will never ever cuss you, baby. I will ever never cuss you. So if you feel like say Tuffy, I go cuss you, you make a sad mistake. Cause Tuffy no depend that. Tuffy no depend that.